Hello students, I'm again here to continue our last chapter, third chapter, star and solar system. So we had already discussed so many things. Now today we'll discuss some other members of solar system. Under this we have 5 other members of solar system. Number 1, asteroids. What are asteroids? These are the small celestial bodies revolve around the sun. You can see in the figure, revolve around the sun between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. These are the small celestial bodies between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. These numbers are about 7.5 into 10 to the power 6. These are rocky materials, rocky substances, rocky objects of different sizes. All are having different sizes, form a wide belt. All these are forming a wide belt between Mars and Jupiter. It is called asteroid belt. When it collides, when these asteroids collide each other, they break into small pieces and convert into meteorites and meteors. Now the second one is meteors. As we know, meteors, these are formed from asteroids. So meteors are also known as shooting star or falling star. When meteors enters in the Earth's atmosphere with high speed, there is a friction. So due to friction, it catches fire, it glows, and it completely evaporates in the atmosphere only. It doesn't touch the Earth's surface due to its small size. Here in the figure you can see these are the meteors. You can see falling stars. Number 3, meteorites. Meteorites are bigger in meteors, slightly bigger in size in meteors. Bigger than meteors, not get completely evaporate while entering in the Earth's atmosphere. It means it reaches and touches the Earth's surface. Few parts are coming and touching the Earth's surface. So these are the good source of study and investigation materials about the space, about the meteors, about the asteroids. So we obtained these materials on the surface. So it is a study material, good study material. Number 4, comets. Comets are very small celestial bodies. They have their own orbits. Bodies made up of gas and dirt. These are made up of gas and dirt which revolve around the sun. You can see in the figure, comet, it is revolving around the sun. At that time it develops tails. You can see it develops tail due to heat of the sun. It develops tail. The sun in the highly elliptical orbit. They revolve in highly elliptical orbit around the sun. It develops a long glowing tail. The example is Halley's comet. Halley's comet is the example of comet. It appears every after 76 years. It means it takes 76 years to complete its rotation. Last time it was seen in the year 1986, and we hope it will be appear in the year 2062. 2062 it will again appear. So every after 76 years it appears. The last one is artificial satellites. Artificial satellites, we have learned about natural satellites, but these are artificial satellites, man-made satellites. These are made up for our use, our purposes. Now just go through it. Artificial satellites, some man-made satellites are revolving around the earth. These are revolving around the earth for various purposes, for our use. Some of important purposes I have written here. Number 1, it helps us in communications. radios communications, TV, telephones, internet, mobiles, in communication uh, service it provides us, it helps us. Number two, it used for weather forecast. We use satellite. Satellite gives us the picture of Earth from above, so that we can get the weather forecast where there is a rain or cloud or something else, a storm, heavy rain, this way. Number three, it is used for surveying natural resources. Natural resources are there on the earth's surface, we can't see from earth, we can see from up. So pictures are given by the satellites and we can get the idea about the natural resources. Next, it used for spying for military purposes. For military purposes, this is very important, very much helpful, and it helps for collecting informations about. It also helps us to collecting informations about other planets, other stars, galaxies, and other heavenly bodies that is found in the sky, in the space. In the year 1975, Aryabhatta was the first Indian satellite. You can see the figure. This is the Aryabhatta. In the year 1975, first Indian satellite, it was sent into space, and afterwards many satellites are sent, and it is continuously sending one by one. Some of important I have written here: Bhaskara, INSET, IRS, Rohini, Kalpana 1, and these are some important satellites, Indian satellites, and these are sent through ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Through ISRO, these are sent into space. So just go through the figures and all these materials, and I hope this chapter is finished. Now we will go for the revision in our direct interactive classes. So have a nice day. Thank you. Artificial satellites, how it is helpful to us. Helps in communication, used for weather forecast, surveying natural resources, spying for military purposes, collecting informations about planets, stars, galaxies, and the first satellite in 1975, Bhaskara. There is a picture, and this is comet. Comet, very big elliptical orbit. When it comes near to the sun, it forms tails due to heat of the sun, due to friction. And this is meteor, shooting stars, falling stars coming towards the earth. It develops a tail, it catches fire. And the upper one you can see the asteroid belts. They are you can say asteroids are there. Asteroids, small heavenly bodies in different size between the space of Mars and Jupiter, and they are also revolving around the sun. So this much only today.